Welcome to the exciting world of Sectigo PQC Labs, a place where the future of cryptography comes to life. The Sectigo PQC Labs environment is designed for testing and experimentation, allowing you to generate certificates with post-quantum cryptography keys. Although production-ready certificates may not be available, due to our partnership with Crypto4A, who are the leaders in Quantum Safe HSM technology, the certificates we provide in Quantum Labs will enable you to test and experience PQC technology in your environment. In this video, you're going to learn how to easily generate a post-quantum certificate in a testing environment, explore its details, and discover resources that'll help you dive deeper into the future of cryptography. To kick things off, head over to the Sectigo Quantum Labs landing page and click on the Start Your PQC Journey button at the top. This will take you to a simple sign-up page where you'll create your account. We just need your email, name, and a password to get started. Once you're in, we'll be all set for the next step. After you have completed providing your credentials, you should be logged in and ready to start. Here on the Sectigo PQC Labs page, simply enter your internal domain name in the common name field. For example, in our case, we are using johnsmith.test.internal, which works perfectly. Next, check the box to accept the Sectigo EULA agreement. Your certificate will be created using the MLDSA quantum algorithm, and if you'd like to learn more, check out the info box on the right. When you're ready, click on the Generate Certificate button, and just like that, you've created your very own PQC certificate, ready for you to test in your own environment. Now that you have created your first PQC certificate, you have the ability to test it in your own environment. To explore your certificates and other knowledge-based resources, check out the 3 tabs titled Details, Downloads, and PQC Resources. Under the Details tab, you can see the full chain of trust, the domain you used, the key type, and the certificate's validation period, which in this case will be 30 days. In the Downloads tab, you have the option to download your certificate in 3 different formats. If you only require the basic certificate file, we recommend selecting the CER format. The PEM format file includes both the certificate and the full chain, providing a complete set of trust information. And if you need everything, the certificate, the chain, and the private key, it is recommended that you download the PFX PKCS12 format. This will furnish an all-in-one file with all the details for your inspection and testing needs. These different options let you inspect and use the certificate in various ways while you're in the PQC testing environment. And if you want to learn more, check out our PQC Resources tab, where you'll find tons of helpful info about post-quantum cryptography and how you can start using it for the future. And if you want to consult with one of our experts, don't forget to hit the Contact Us button in the top right corner. We're here to help guide you through your PQC journey with the best crypto agility solutions. Thanks for watching. We hope you're as excited as we are about the future of cryptography. Don't forget, our team is always here to assist. Just click that Contact Us button if you need us. Enjoy exploring and testing all that Sectigo PQC Labs has to offer you.